You see a 30-second video online about a new miracle health product. It's full of upbeat music and smiling faces. Then you find a long scientific article about the same product, filled with dense charts and cautious language. Which one tells the truth? The answer is you need to understand both to get the full picture. That video isn't just sharing facts, it's using different modes to make you feel something. The music, the bright colors, the layout, that's called a multimodal text. A documentary can use scary music to make a simple statistic seem terrifying. You have to learn to see past the words and notice how the sounds and images are influencing you. Next, consider your source type. Is it a primary source, like a personal blog from someone who actually used the product? That gives you raw feelings and first-hand details. Or is it a secondary source, like a news summary that quotes several different experts? That gives you the big picture. Neither is better, they just offer different pieces of the puzzle. Now you cross-reference. The company's website says the product is 100% effective. A news article says it's closer to 60%. You've found a contradiction. This is your cue to find a third, highly reliable source, like a government health agency, to find the real number. The final, most powerful step is synthesis. You take the emotional story from the blog, the data from the news article, and the verified facts from the agency report. You combine them. You don't just repeat what you've heard. You create one new, complete understanding that is entirely your own. This is the highest level of reading. It's how you stop just consuming information and start truly understanding the world.